So, you decided to take steps to get a fit, healthier body. You've made preparations, got a gym membership, watched basic workout tutorials on YouTube, tried them all, but it's been a few weeks now and unfortunately, you've seen little to no progress. Don't know why? Well, we got you. Before we continue, I'd like to welcome you to our channel where you can find tips, hacks, and tricks that will make you better than your best. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see similar content. Hit the bell for notifications for more great videos like this one. Here are 6 things you're doing wrong when it comes to exercising. Checking and tweaking is necessary to make a huge difference. Number 1, you're not warming up enough. Warm-ups is the key to a great workout routine. It isn't all fun and games, but the running and stretching gets you ready to begin your workout. An effective warm-up session makes your muscles and tendons more elastic and less susceptible to micro tears. Not only that, it accelerates your heart rate to boost your blood pump that enhances your overall performance. If you skip warm-ups, the odds that you'll end up sore after the workout and may not be able to continue your routine. Even if you do it, it's likely that you're either not doing it correctly or not spending enough time on the warm-up. For instance, a couple minutes of brisk walking or flaring your arms is not enough to get you ready for an hour of workout. You need to stretch, flare, twist both arms and legs, and walk or even run for a few minutes. There's no particular time frame for warm-up exercises. You'll know when you're ready. Usually that is when you're broken out a sweat. Number 2, you're focusing on either weights or cardio and not both. What if you need to shed a few extra pounds? Would you lift weights for it? Of course not. So what happens now? Cardio and a healthy diet plan? Nah, that's not it. Cycling, jogging, rowing might help you burn a lot of calories, but that won't help you build muscle mass. And your muscles are the only things that can help you lose weight, especially when you're at rest. It requires a lot of nutrients and energy to keep your muscles tissues toned, and your body utilizes them significantly when you're doing strength training. However, the quality of strength exercises depends on your age. The older you are, the greater numbers of strength exercises you need to adapt to order to keep a healthy muscle mass. Similarly, if you only focus on weightlifting because you want to shape your muscle tissue, the odds are that you won't even achieve your goals. In order to get carved and nicely toned muscles, you are required to lose all the excessive fat. This is where cardio can help you. Not only that, cardio can be more productive if you include strength training here. So, it's a win-win. Number 3, you rush it. I know, you long for that perfect body and you want to achieve that ASAP, but rushing through your workout routine by exhausting your body on a treadmill or by lifting weights twice your size isn't going to help your goal. Rather, you end up fatigued and anxious as your body isn't used to it yet. So, go slow, take it easy, adjust to the routine, let your body get familiar with the workout. If you've never worked out before, begin your routines with just a few minutes of running, lightweight exercises, swimming, or lifting dumbbells. Do whatever you're comfortable with. Also, adjust the numbers of reps and sets accordingly. When you feel like you can do a lot of reps without taking short breaks, add a few weights. As far as cardio is concerned, do it without resting. Non-stop until you're sweating and too tired to go on. Also, keep a check on your heart rate. Get it too high, but not too high that you faint. We suggest repeating cardio and batches and continue alternating it with weightlifting exercises. In this way, you'll be able to prolong your everyday session gradually and eventually you get a hang of everything like running, rowing, swimming, and weightlifting. Number 4, you don't pay attention to the form. So you normally warm up for a few minutes and as soon as you drop a sweat on your forehead, you switch to cardio for a couple of seconds and move on to strength training. And you think that's enough to lose those extra pounds and get into shape for summer? But hey, that's not it. All the stretching and twisting is for nothing. You're not focusing on proper form. If you're doing everything but doing it wrong, you're only setting yourself up for failure. Not only that, you'll also risk your health. For instance, deadlifts can strain your lower back due to all the arching and stretching. Sooner or later, you'll bend down to tie your laces and you won't be able to get back up. Moreover, you need to engage the right muscles, such as the muscles on your back and shoulders, and to specifically target them, you need to be perfectly still. Cardio may look easy, but it can be tricky at times. Every exercise comes with its own sets of do's and don'ts, and you need to do your homework on them before you start. For example, jogging requires you to put on a good pair of running shoes and stay away from rough or hard surfaces such as asphalt, or else the sudden shock from such a hard impact may stretch your knees and back a little too much. Number 5, you are dehydrated. Before you start to groan at me and close the video once and for all, hear me out. I'm not trying to be Captain Obvious here, but keeping your body hydrated at all times is extremely important. And the key to hydration is water. I know you know that already, but beginners tend to opt for energy drinks in order to tone their body faster, and that is entirely wrong. These drinks contain a lot of sugars and additives to help athletes get into shape after harsh workout sessions. And you're not a professional, not yet. These energy drinks and additives will only harm you at this stage. You can go for fruit smoothies, juices, or protein drinks, but even they contain a lot of sugar and additives. And on top of that, your body treats them as food. So, when you drink a glass full of mango juice, it's not just water, you're actually eating a mango. In short, only clear water is your best friend, as it's the only thing that is pure and does not contain anything that can harm you. Instead, it works out to hydrate your body from inside out. Number 6, you don't listen to expert advice. If you're new to working out, you can get confused by going through all the tips and tricks on the internet. And you may think you found your holy grail from the comfort of your home, but it may not be the best thing for you. Paying for a professional trainer might seem a lot at this point, and I know, they're expensive, but they can offer expert advice and help you prepare a workout routine tailored to your needs. We finished our workout for today. Tell us if you know any other mistakes that should be avoided down in the comment section below. Did you do any of them before? Let us know. Don't forget to leave a like if you found this video helpful, subscribe to receive more cool videos like this one, and hit the bell icon to be notified for the new videos. Stay beautiful and be better than your best.